Hello everyone, this is Roshni Sri Abhirami, a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. Today I'll be dealing with the case law of SP Mittal versus Union of India 1983. So before I move on to this particular case law, I want to give a little definition for the definition of minority. Even though Article 30 of the 30 and 29 of the Indian Constitution speaks about minority rights, it is very sadly to be mentioned that no article in the Constitution speaks about who a minority is. So, in order to help us, there are few reports that speak about who a minority is or what can be defined as a minority population. So basically, a minority is a separate language, writing or a culture of its own that has the right to maintain it. So according to Article 29 clause 1, which protects the minority population rights. So basically, if I have my own set of practice or a culture or a writing or anything which I follow for myself and the majority of the population don't follow it, I could be called as a minority. This is what is mentioned according to various reports in India. So there is a particular judgment, that is the Bal Patil with his Union of India and the Islamic Academy of Education versus State of Karnataka, which shows that the court uses additional considerations such as economic benefit to determine whether a group is minority or not. When there is a issue in front of the court and the court has to decide whether the particular community is a minority or not, the court could use any yardstick in order to consider a particular community as a minority or not. This is something that we need to keep in mind. So now let me move on to the case law. So basically, we all know that Sri Aurobindo was a saint and he was a brilliant scholar and administrator who was very active in politics. But later he gave that all up and relocated to Pondicherry in India. So in order to pursue a life in meditation. So his student or his follower, Madam M. Alfonsa, who is popularly called as Mother, and along with his student, the mother, he starts a ashram or say a society, that is the Aurobindo Society in Auroville in near Pondicherry. So this thing has to be kept in mind. And the mother was made as the founding president and allowed Auroville, a township where people might gather and do meditation and engage in various activities in this particular society. So the UNESCO, that is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, gave a recognition to this particular Aurobindo ashram, and after the mother died, the managing rights was given to the followers of these the mother and Sri Aurobindo, and it was to be noted that the following managers were not very capable enough of maintaining this particular ashram in the right way as was supposed to be maintained by the people of the as were maintained by mother and Sri Aurobindo. So the government takes over the controlling rights of the ashram under the Auroville Emergency Provisions Act of 1980. So the constitutional legality was challenged on 4 grounds, and because the government seized the property under the control of a religious activity. One of the arguments involved Article 29 and 30 of the Indian Constitution. So what is the issue raised? Does the Act violate Article 29 and 30 of the Indian Constitution? Is a major issue raised in this particular case law. So what the court held is that Aurobindo is first, what the court held is that the particular act does not violate Article 29 and 30, because a particular ashram is formed based on the ideas of Sri Aurobindo and not on religious grounds or any minority grounds. So it does not affect any article under the Indian Constitution, especially the Article 29 and 30, as it does not affect any minority communities in India, whereas it is formed only based on the ideas of Sri Aurobindo and not based on any religious grounds or anything. Thus, the court held that this act cannot be considered to be violative of the Indian Constitution under Article 29 and 30. If you have any other comments, kindly drop in your opinions in the chat comment box, and we'll make more efforts on this particular this thing. Thank you so much.